Comparison of QR code tags for LPG cylinders. External QR code tag traditional solution. Built-in QR code tag Xiangkang Innovation. Appearance difference display. Welding and installation of external QR code tags. For built-in tags, the QR code position and welding slots need to be cut out in advance at the neck guard installation location. Welding installation of built-in QR code tags. Magnetic protective steel plate can be used for protection of built-in tags during shot blasting and rust removal. Reusable and securely installed. External QR code tags use self-adhesive protective rubber during shot blasting and rust removal. External QR code tags vs built-in QR code tags. The frame of the external QR code tag will corrode to some extent in the coastal environment and chemical industry area, but the built-in QR code tag has better resistance to harsh environments. The external tag is installed on the outside of the protective shield and may be damaged by collision during cylinder circulations. The internal tag can prevent surface collision damage. The protection with magnetic protective steel plate for built-in tags during shot blasting and rust removal is reliable, convenient, simple to operate, and the protective steel plate can be used repeatedly. The protection with rubber cover for external tag during shot blasting and rust removal is more difficult and higher demanding, and the rubber cover is one-time use and high cost. The welding operation for built-in tags is simpler than the external tags, and the welding effect is stronger and more reliable. Xiangkang's new built-in QR code tag is an ideal choice for electronic tracking of LPG cylinders.